Yes, it must be them. They won't let us go. Nothing bad's going to happen. I guess we can't avoid this. This is the last shoot we've got. Okay. Carry this and the last hope of humanity. Fly to the Aurora Valley, Explorer.
Pues aquí, como acaban de ver, el avión o el taxi, como sea, ha explotado. No grabé dónde explotó, pero si lo logro grabar, lo subiré.